Welcome back, everyone. Appreciate you stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Pro Street Rambler, old Jo-Han kit. Let's see if we can find a date on this one. This one here is kit number S1004. And I don't see a year on this one. Maybe it'll be on the instructions. But it is the box type that opened up like a cake box, you know, or a jewelry box. I don't know what they call it, but it has one of those. It doesn't come completely off. So right here we have some yellowed instructions. So this one's been sitting around a little bit. Alright, no decals on that. Here's engine assembly, chassis assembly. This says Jo-Han was a division of the Seville Enterprises Incorporated. So that'll give you kind of a date to tell you when it came out. There's no date marked on this paper. You guys there's Jo-Han experts out there know way more about this than I do. I just enjoy building them. That's that. It'll be a little tougher to get these in and out here. You know what? I can see the decals. I'm going to go ahead and grab the decals first. Or second, I guess. Oh, not a whole lot going on there, fellas. We got some blue stripes. Go one way and these go the other way. Maybe a hood decal and a couple little green things. I guess that's this part right here. I don't know where that one goes. Or where they suggest. Oh yeah, there it is. It's up on the hood. Of course you can't see that with the glare. It's right there. Alright. And okay, we have, well, I'm going to do it like this. Because this is all exposed here. We have windshield and the rear window. Not in a bag. We have a piece of plastic which has nothing on it. So what is this? We have a tail light. Put that down. I don't see the other one on there. There's the other one hiding in the bottom of the box right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and leave that in there and put the other one in with it. And throw that piece of plastic out. Put that in there. Okay. We have 4 tires that have a tremendous amount of flash on them. They say something, but I can't make it up. Nothing on this side. It looks like there's something scribbled on there on the sidewall, just a little bit right there. I don't know if you can see it. Alrighty. They're just a vinyl tire. Yeah, not super hard, not super soft, about a medium density. And because chrome piece is right here, we'll go ahead and get into that. Not much for chrome going on with this vehicle. You know, I'm not even sure what year Rambler that is. Looks to me like it's a mid to late 60s Rambler. I almost said Dodge Rambler, but obviously it's the AMC Rambler. Well, because that reminds me of a Valiant front end there. Some only one style of wheel option. Front and rear bumpers. Rear view mirror. I think these are side mirrors. A couple little engine pieces, a carburetor, an alternator, and then I think this is a stick shift, one of them long fancy ones. Alrighty, so into the bag of parts we go. It has a piece of tape on it. That's interesting. Never seen that before. that off the top. And here we have the body, which feels really nice. Minimal flashing. Little slick. Wash her up before you paint it. A lot thicker than that previous video I did on the Midnight Cowboy Chevy Wrecker. This one here actually feels like it's real sturdy. Front end feels nice. Underneath. Shock towers look nice. This roof line almost gives the illusion of being a convertible with the way it's got the little bump right there. Nice piece of plastic there. Here we have the body tub, interior tub, lightly molded in pedals on the bottom there, molded in console. Got the rubber mat molded into it. Rear seats all one piece. Very little detail on the sides. Very lightly impressed in there. Okay. Here's the frame. Decent quality of thickness of the plastic. Light detailing there. This would be a good shelf model. Let's see here. Oh, we have the trunk. I didn't even catch that. The trunk has an opening, so it opens. That's pretty neat. There's dashboard. Steering wheel. I like that steering wheel. That's sharp looking. Tire wheel backs. Fan. 7-blade fan. Battery. Little things that your axles go through. I don't know what the heck we call these things. Exhaust manifolds. Seat belts, possibly headrests right here. Yep. And the two front seats. Oh yeah, look at there, I got little spaces for the headrest to go in. That's kind of sharp. Oh, then we have flying parts. Let's see what we got. The rear end, which is a 4-piece rear end. That's different. These look like the pieces that mount the springs to the rear end. The shock absorbers all on one tree. That's nice with the drive shaft. Yeah, they were thought out pretty good there. Here's your air cleaner. So this would be your intake and this would be your exhaust. That's kind of neat. The heads for your engine, your fuel tank, radiator, scoop, part of the scoop for the hood right there. I don't know what that is. It might be the bottom of the scoop. Yeah, it looks like that's what that is. Alrighty. We have the hood with the cutout already. Here is the rear end valance. This part here looks like the rear trunk area, which is separate. That's kind of cool. And the engine, I'm not sure what engine it is. I don't know if it's the 390 or the 401. I didn't see any information on it. If you guys know, let me know in the comments because I'm kind of curious on that one. And then we have oil pan, fan belt and pulley system, water pump, probably timing chain cover, which is upside down, I think. Nope, looks like it goes that way. Intake manifold, starter, master cylinder, and distributor. And then there's something here, but I don't know if that's just flashing or if that's a part that needs to be trimmed up. We'll figure that out when we get into the actual build. Well, alrighty guys, that does it. There's the Pro Street Rambler from the Jo-Han, a division of the Seville Enterprises. So that'll oh, here we go, right here. It's a 390 engine. See, if I just pay a little more attention, I'd see these things. Black vinyl tires. Opening trunk, detailed interior. See there? All that information was right there. Once again, walk around here. Is 125 scale. I don't know if I mentioned that. Detailed chassis. Complete interior, open trunk. Molded in high impact styrene. Chrome, clear, and red clear parts. Well, alrighty folks, I appreciate you stopping by. As always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and keep on keeping on. Have yourselves a great day, folks. See you on the next one.